In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change subtitle language on Udemy on desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to switch captions to the language you prefer and how to turn them off when you don't need them. Start by opening Udemy in your web browser and playing the lecture video you want to watch. It helps to be on the course page and inside a specific lecture, because the subtitle controls only appear on the video player itself. If the controls aren't visible right away, move your mouse over the video to bring them up. Along the bottom of the video player, look for the closed captions icon. It usually looks like a small speech bubble or the letters CC. Depending on the course and the player version, you might also see a captions option near the settings gear. Both lead you to the same place, so either is fine. Click the CC icon, or click Captions beside the settings. A small menu will appear with the available subtitle languages for that specific course. If the instructor or Udemy has provided subtitles in multiple languages, you'll see them listed here. Some courses may only have one language available, and others might not offer subtitles at all. That availability is set per course. Select the language you want to use. As soon as you click a language, the subtitles will switch immediately in the video. You can keep the video playing while you make your selection, or pause it if you prefer a moment to choose. If the subtitles don't change right away, give it a second, or scrub back a few seconds so the new captions can sync with the playback. If at any point you decide you don't want subtitles on the screen, open the same CC or captions menu again and choose Off. This is helpful if you find captions distracting or if they cover important on-screen content. To recap, play your Udemy lecture, open the CC or captions control at the bottom of the player, pick your preferred language from the list, and the subtitles will update instantly. And when you want a clean view, select Off from the same menu. These controls are always in the video player, so you can change languages or toggle captions on and off whenever you need, without leaving the lecture. That's all you need to change subtitle language on Udemy on desktop. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your course with captions set exactly the way you like them.